Welcome to Twitter! Twitter is a wonderful website where you can stay updated on all the pointless things your friends do. Use hashtags to go... Use hashtags to get a job. Get your client interested in your product. Geyser to the top of the business ladder at your corporation. Grapple to safety away from the pirates. Gamble all your money away at the slots. Guilt your friends into giving you free pens. Go Power Rangers. Grunt out the alphabet. Gender stereotype your own mother. Gain access to the Library of Congress. Go ghost. Not unlike Danny Phantom. Gurgle your toothpaste like a pro. Gas your enemy's house and set it ablaze. Gasp dramatically as your father reveals he was actually your mother. Guarantee yourself an Oscar-winning performance. Giggle uncontrollably while your friends look on in horror. Grind on your hot cousin. Give the gift of Christmas. Get jiggy with it. Grow a pair. Gloss over the entire 19th century while teaching history. Goad morons into responding to you. Grease yourself up like a pig and squeal for me. Gaze longingly at the woman across the hall who will not return your affections even after you sent her $80 in roses. Gesticulate your feelings. Gather grapes on the vineyard. Grape them in the mouth! Use hashtags to G. Forgot to finish my post. Googly eye various fruits for your arts and crafts class. Gore your family with an elephant. Grieve for the loss of your loved ones. Get revenge. Goat. Give things unfavorable reviews on Metacritic. Griddle up some hash and then tag it. Girls. Gather naked pictures of George Costanza. Use hashtags to get off Twitter.